guys, good morning buddies. Let us explore our classroom with the students of like Sorojit and topper of our class. And these are the boys who is known as the brilliant students in India, and they are pursuing their degree in B.Tech. They are doing computer science, mechanical engineering. These students are known for their intelligence, and these students are very talented. So you might. And these are the girls. They are very pretty, and majority of the students, boys students, are falling for them. They are known for their beautiness, and in this area they never come outside also because their beautiness just harm boys in this area. And this is the guy, those who is the father of classroom. Chehra dikhao. And this is the most man. He is known for as gentleman in our class. And this is the view of our class. And our class has a minimum capacity of 20 lakh students per year, and there are total seats of 10 lakh seats in our university. Any kinds of programming, bachelor's, PhD, masters, PU, PG, everything is here, and you can pursue your MBBS also in this college. It has the highest capacity all among the India's university. It is also better than those IIT universities and GMC in India. It has the highest view rating of 5/4. It is very enormous amount of rating. So people have good experience, and they have read our college, and these are the new girls. They are coming for classes, and they are having their computer science classes after 4-5 minutes. Now we are waiting for our professor. They are going to come, I think, after 4-5 minutes. Okay, this is the view. We have lots of trees. We are environmentally very focused on our environment, and we have planted multiple kinds of trees, plants in around our college, and our college is surrounded by such kinds of trees, plantations. And we also practically understand the importance of environmental educations. And these students are very civilized, and they are known for their well-educated personality. So guys, let us meet after our classes. Bye.